Hello everyone, I'm Vinod Kumar. So today we are having session on Drupal as a content management system. Content management system, you might hear about what it exactly. Some of you might know about it. See, content management system we used to shortly call CMS. It's nothing but it's a kind of software application which will allow you to create a content and to edit and to publish it in a as a web pages or a blog. So whatever you may say it, you are hosting your data in a web servers as a web page. So that is it's all about content management system. Okay, and if you see in the market, there are so many content management systems. For example, if you take Joomla and WordPress, there are in the sophisticated tools also. But why we have to choose Drupal? No, by end of these slides, you will understand how important is a Drupal and why it was used widely. Okay, and it's free only. It's open source and it's based on GNU public, general public license. So anybody can download it. In the worldwide, almost 2.3 percentage of the websites were created based on Drupal, whereas most of them corporate and political. Even you surprised to see that there is a government site, most of them favored on Drupal. Okay. Uh, History begins with Darius. This is the guy who developed the Drupal, and it became 2001 as a open source. And you might wonder what is actually the Drupal mean. It's nothing but a drop of water. That is how they used to call it in a Dutch meaning. But actually, it is a misspelled. So they even like as you know, the Google even is having misspelled brand name Google itself. So that is how likewise Drupal also misspelled and it is continued as like this. So yeah, here you can see what are the institution and the government and the media were having their website using Drupal. So, for example, if you take the White House, American White House, they are using Drupal for their hosting their website. If you come to London, even the London government is they were using Drupal website, and even the France. And if you come to the media side, the BBC also their website also used created using by Drupal, and University of Oxford, and surprisingly you can see the NASA also. So you can understand it how worth it is. Even you are getting as a freely, so you can create a website for your personal and as well as for your institution. So we'll see how to configure it practically also. For that, we have needed some components. For that, so you can see here, we need a XAMPP thing, a tool, and as well as Drupal. So for that, you can download it from Apache Friends site. Its XAMPP tool is combination, content with MySQL and Apache and PHP. Okay, Apache is web server and MySQL is database, and PHP is programmer written in the website is written in the PHP. So that's the reason. And one more thing is, Drupal can be freely downloaded, and I wanna see show you the practically where you can download and how to install it. So let's do it in a practically, so you will get understanding about what and how to do that. Okay, here we go. See, to download the XAMPP tool, you have to go https://www.apachefriends.org. Okay. If you go to this website, you can see directly you can download it from based on your OS in your PC. Okay. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this Windows. So sometimes you might use Linux or iOS in your PC or laptop. So as per your requirement, you're gonna download it XAMPP file. tool, and I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna download it. So click it, it will be download. Since I'm already having it, so I'm gonna not download it. So just for your information and for your know how can download it, I'm just uh, showing you this one. Uh, the next one is Drupal. Uh, so you have to go https://drupal.org. So this is how the website, and you can go directly to try Drupal, click download, and you can see, in a zip format, the entire content is downloadable with a zip format. Click on zip, so it will be download automatically. Okay. So if you want to go through, you can go through also. We're going to use Drupal 8. They are still building the Drupal 9. If you're interested, you can try that one also in a demo basis. So they given all the options. So once you're familiar with the 8, you can go for Drupal 9. Okay. So these are downloaded. Let's see next step. So here we having Drupal and XAMPP both are downloaded. So you have it's downloaded in a zip Drupal. So you have to unzip it, right click it, extract here. So it will be extracted. I'm already extracted it. So you can see all the files will be extracted. So next here we have to install first XAMPP tool. For that, after downloading it, just double click it. So you'll get a installation wizard. So you have to follow the steps. Okay, just click yes. So the wizard is open. You have to follow the step-by-step activity. Just click next and check everything because we wanna use PHP and Perl also. Check everything. I'm gonna not disturb anything. Click next and see you can see the path of it. C:/XAMPP. Okay, I'm gonna click next. Here, the thing is, I'm already installed the XAMPP file tool in my laptop. So it's asking, it's not allowing to again to install. So if you click next, it will be automatically installed. So next, we're gonna, you know, this Drupal file has to be downloaded into this XAMPP folder. For that, we have to go C folder. Hope you remember that where our XAMPP here in the C. Click it. So here we having those XAMPP files, everything. Click on. You have to search for htdocs. So here we wanna drop all Drupal files. So I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna name it as demo. I'm named as demo Drupal. Okay. So now we created a file name demo Drupal. Okay. Now we're gonna do. We have to extract those Drupal files which were in downloaded. So we gonna copy inside everything. We are copying everything, and we're going to place it XAMPP htdocs and the file which is we have created demo Drupal. Okay. We are pasted now. So it might take some time. So until then, you have to wait for patiently. Now you can see it's almost 94%. So let it be, install it, and we'll continue with the other stuff. So we installed the XAMPP tool, and we are copying it all Drupal content to the XAMPP folder. So now we have to create a database. So for that, just open your browser and type localhost. Okay. So now you can see it's your XAMPP tool is already installed in your local PC. So it's a combination of Apache, as I told, MySQL or MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. So you have to create a database for that. So we're going to create database. You have to go PHP myadmin. Yeah. So we're going to create a database. So it's PHP MySQL. So we're going to create a new database. Click the new. It will create a new. So we're going to create databases as demo. Okay. My database name will be demo. Click create. It's already created. See, here you can see as a demo. So the next step is you have to, create a demo database admin credentials. So you have to go to privilege and create a new user account. I'm going to use as username as root. Okay. And the host name will be the same, and the account already exists, so we cannot use it, and I'm going to use it as a library. Okay, library, and your password will be root. So you can see other things, and the database for user account. For the time being, we are not giving anything. And give global privilege. Global privileges means you have to give all the privileges to the admin. So then we can do that. So you click it, all privileges, check on. So then go. Libraries also exit. So I'm gonna try admin 2. Okay, admin 2. Let's see. Will it agree? Accepted. Yeah. So it's created and it is accepted. So you have to remember that admin detail is admin 2 and your password will be root. So we have created a database demo and admin for that demo database. Now we want to configure Drupal. Okay. For that, I'm gonna type it here localhost slash. Remember what you given your file name in your exam folder, ht docs demo Drupal, right? Yes. See the localhost and demo Drupal. So now it's automatically appeared configuration details of Drupal. So we're gonna follow step by step. to configure our Drupal. So first step is choosing the language. Choose the language English, and next step is to installation profile. There is a three option. One is standard and minimal, and another one is demo. It is in the Drupal 9, which is they're gonna it's a demo based for a food magazine. It's an experimental, so it's always advisable to go to standard version for it is advisable always. So I'm clicking standard and continue, save and continue. So here it has to verify the requirements. So you can see its web server is Apache is there and PHP is there, PHP extension, everything is here. And you can notice a error here, PHP OP code caching is will be throwing as a error. So it's not going to be not a big issue for the time being to install the Drupal. You can ignore it and scroll all the down and click the continue anyway. It will take you to the next step of the installation. So here you can see the admin name. It will asking set up the database. Hope you remember that. Sorry. Hope you remember that we were given our database type as a MySQL, all the requirements state. And we were created a databases using as demo. Hope you remember it. And database admin, we have created this username is admin one, right? 1 or 2. Let's try. So it's saying that it's not there. So we given admin 2, password will be root. Let's try camps. So let's check why it's not accepting. We are going as a demo. In the privileges, so we given us admin caps, space caps D. So now you can understand. Sometimes it's better to get errors also. See, it's accepted and it's gone to installation process. And let's see until it comes to 100%. I'm passing the record. Our installation is almost done. So remember that there is 6 steps: choosing the language, choosing the profile, and verifying the requirements, and setting up the database, and installing the site. It will be automatically done, and configuring the sites. That is our next step. So we are almost done. So we are in the last step, configuring site. So we have to give the site name. So I'm going to give my site name as Chennai Open Access Library. So I'm creating a site for Chennai, Open Access Library, for just for this demo sake. You have to, next step is you have to give mail address for that. So I'm giving my mail address. So if you're having your institution mail ID, you have to give that one. And for site maintenance, we have to create another admin credentials for anything to work on to configure other stuff, you have to create another admin credential. So I'm gonna use the same which is I'm given to the databases, capital A admin 2, and the password will be root. You have to give again, so it will say that verified whether it's matching or not. Then you have to scroll down and the address will be there, and you have to select your location, India, okay, default country, and the timing zone we used to come in the Asia. We have to select Kolkata region. Yeah. There will be option for update for notification. So it's, you having option here to update your site automatically, but I don't want to prefer it. Okay, I'm unchecking it and save and continue. That's it. So it's gonna land up your website. So we having our website. So here is no. Now you can see our website. So welcome to Chennai Open Access Library. So this is how you'll be your site in a still in structure model, and you have option here to create a content for your site. We having commands for that, and we have option here for structure, for the layout, all the stuff. So we gonna it's those are few advanced. If you learn more and more, you can go and you can do some changes. I want to, I don't want this blue color. You want some other color, means you have to go to appearance. Just go to click appearance, and you can see it's a default theme. If you don't want it, you can click here setting. So here's the color. I'm gonna have my website banner will be, yeah. So you can see the preview here. So how it's gonna be look. So if you're having your institution logo, you can use here, okay, the path, and you can upload it. It will automatically upload it. I'm gonna save my configuration. So what are the site and all the stuff you're gonna do, you done it, and back to site. Yeah, you can see the color is changed. So what are the color you're looking for, you prefer based on your requirement, you can change, and you can do everything in the appearance in the structure format also. For example, if you want to add any menus, you can go directly to that. Click the edit option here, edit menu. So for example, if I want to create another menu, it's about talk about what is the site is about. So, I'm creating another menu saying that about us. So the click is about us. You have to give the linkage to the site, like slash about underscore us. Okay, it's going to be visible like this, like demo Drupal slash admin. That is how it's going to be look as. It's a kind. You're clicking the menu, it will take you to another page. Otherwise, you can say node. Okay, another node. So it has to be appeared in the parent. So if you give the main navigation, it will be directly to come to here. Okay, and the weightage will be given as 1 because 0 is already given to home. So that is how you're going to add another menus also. Like that, you can go on add based on your requirement. See, now you can see about us. The page is already created for about us. Or if you don't want to here, like you want to have another menu here, my account or here, you can do that also. Click here, edit menu, add link, the same format, my profile or else my profile. I'll give my profile. So slash profile. I'll give. So you can give description for that also. And here you have to select here my account menu. Here we given us main navigation. Here we are giving user account menu and the weightage will be 2. I'm giving as a 2 because already there are 2 menus are there, logout and my account. So I'm given my profile. So now you can see the my profile page is created. So if you want to add a content here, there will be content option, add content. I'm just clicking here and click the article. It will enable you option to add your content to that site. So whatever it may be. So I'm just giving us my content. It's about, Chennai Open Access Library. Welcome to Chennai. I'm going to see welcome. The content will be welcome everyone. So that is how. So here you can see tags. Now you can all the social media having tagging system. Here you can create your own tagging for your website content. So you can see the preview or else you can directly save and publish it. I'm publishing it. Save and publishing it. See, now you can see your data. Your all the content is available here. So welcome to everyone. If you want to see here. So your home page is available. So you can see here. So these are the you can see your main pages. Welcome to everyone. Your content is available. Okay, that is how all about. So since we are just introducing how to install the Drupal and creating web page. So if you want more, you can directly go to Drupal page and you can learn more and create yourself the standard Drupal page. It's all about in your hand. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Take care.